Hello children, we are on the second part of the chapter, that is minerals. Minerals are also known as protective food. You can write at the side. Minerals are needed in a small quantity by our body. It helps in keeping our bones, blood and teeth healthy. Minerals also help in developing our body tissues. Many types of minerals like potassium, calcium, iron, iodine, sodium, etc. are needed by our body. For healthy bones and teeth, calcium is required. You can underline it. Iron is required for making blood. Vegetables, fresh fruits, meat, fish and milk are rich source of different minerals. You can underline iron is needed for making blood. Coming to the last line, food rich in vitamins and minerals are known as protective food. Please underline it. Coming to the next part, water. As we know, most of the body is made of water. Although water is not a nutrient, it is still essential for all the body functions. We need 6 to 8 glasses of water a day. Our body needs water for digestion, excretion and circulation. Most important line, please underline it. We should drink plenty of water daily to balance the loss of water. Eating juicy fruits and vegetables also provides water to the body. Please underline it. Next comes the roughage. Now question arises, what is roughage? It is the fiber from undigested food that helps to remove the waste from our body. Examples are salad, corn cob that is bhutta and broken wheat, dalia are rich in roughage material. Please underline it. Then comes balanced diet. A diet that has the right amount or quantity of nutrients is called balanced diet. You can underline it. It includes all the food component, protein, carbohydrate, fat, minerals, vitamins as well as roughage and water. You can see at the side a balanced diet diagram is given over there. It helps us to grow well and remain healthy. We cannot take one type of diet. It needs to be balanced. Each and every food component should be there. We need a large amount of carbohydrate, less of protein, small amount of fats and lot of fruits and vegetables. Balanced diet will differ according to the age and type of work a person does. It differs from person to person. Our next point is don't waste food. Children, we should never waste our food. Wastage of food leads to multiple wastage of other natural resources. Moreover, thousands of people all over the world die of hunger and malnutrition. As we all know the current situation of our country, many people are not getting enough food to eat. So we should never waste our food. Let us see the ways to stop this wastage of food. First point is buy only the required quantity of food. Second point, cook only that which is sufficient. Third point, finish the food on your plate. Fourth point, after a party, give away the leftover food to the needy. Next comes care of raw food. Children, whenever you purchase vegetables or fruits, make sure that you wash it before consuming. Second point, always eat fresh fruits and vegetables. Third point, care of cooked food. Food should be cooked at a temperature so that germs get killed. Second point, cooked food should always be covered. Third point, leftover food should be kept in a refrigerator to prevent the spread of harmful bacteria. Thank you.